Explanation: addition of 6 and 7-digit numbers. 6 and 7-digit numbers can be added using the same method. Look at the following examples. 1,43,057 plus 4,21,689 equals to 56,04,746. We start from the right and move to the left when we are adding. After adding each place, we need to check if the sum is 10 more and then regroup. Subtraction of 6 and 7-digit numbers. We have learned to carry out subtractions of 5-digit numbers using the same method. We can do subtractions of numbers with more than 5 digits. Look at the following examples. 65,07,843 minus 9,25,586 equals to 55,82,257. In this above example, we should do subtract by keeping the borrowed numbers in our mind without writing them down. Subtraction by another method. Before subtracting one number from another, if we add 10 or 100 to both of them, the difference remains the same. Let us use this fact. Now, look at this example. 724 minus 376. As we cannot subtract 6 from 4, we shall add a 10 to both the numbers. For the upper number, we untie 1/10. We add those 10 units to 4 units to get 14 units. We write the tens added to the lower number below it in the tens place. We subtract 6 units from 14. Now, we cannot subtract 7 plus 1, that is 8 tens from 2 tens. So, we add 100 to the both numbers. For the upper number, we untie the 100 and add the 10 tens to 2 tens. To add the 100 to the lower number, we write it below in the hundreds place. 12 tens minus 8 tens is 4 tens, and 7 hundredths minus 3 plus 1, that is 4 hundredths, is 3 hundredths. Hence, the difference is 348. Mixed examples. In these examples, both operations, addition and subtraction, have to be done. They are done in the order in which they are given. In actual cases, we need to consider the specific problem to decide which operation must be done first. 4,13,758 plus 2,09,542 minus 5,16,304. 4,13,758 plus 2,09,542 minus 5,16,304 is equals to 1,06,996. Other word problems in mixed numbers. The total amount spent on building a certain house was 87,14,530. Of this amount, 24,72,615 were spent on buying the plot of land, 50,43,720 on the construction material, and the rest on labor charges. What was the amount spent on labor? Example: the total amount spent on building a certain house was rupees 87,14,530. Of this amount, rupees 24,72,615 were spent on labor charges. What was the amount spent on labor? Total amount spent cost of plot is 87,14,530 minus 24,72,615 is equals to 62,41,915 is cost of material and labor. 62,41,915 is cost of material and labor minus 50,43,720 is cost of material is equals to 11,97,195 is the amount spent on labor. Let us verify our answer. 24,72,615 is cost of plot plus 50,43,720 is cost of material plus 11,98,195 is amount spent on labor equals to 87,14,530 is the total cost.